Alright, back again. Now in this video we are going to make a quick window here, which will actually transmit the light and from where the light will be passing. So I will come to the top view again, start with the box. Snap is on, you know the snap settings. I will start the box from this corner to this corner, and we have it here. I will come to the modify. I don't need that thick box, so I will make it 5, and I will come to the top view and move it on the x-axis to the down outside. Okay, like this. Perfect. Now I will isolate it with this button here, and I will apply edit poly modifier here. In the edit poly, I will select the edges, and first of all I would like to change the color. Here we go. And in the front view, or in the left view, I'm in the left view right now. By pressing L, and I selected, okay, sorry, I pressed L to come to the left view, and then it was one time press, and then I selected these edges, and now I press connect. 1 2 3 maybe, or 4, maybe 3 would be enough, or maybe 4. Anyhow, that's it. All right, and now go to the left view again, select these guys again and press connect, and now we need only one, but we need it to the upside like this. All right, looks good. Now I will select the polygons here. All the polygons, once they are selected, I will come to the top view, and I press Ctrl A to select everything. Now in the top view I pressed Alt and deselected all of these. Okay, you need to make sure only front and back is selected, nothing from the left, nothing from the right, nothing from the top, nothing from the bottom. Other way around is you simply press and hold Control and keep clicking on the triangles or rectangles, whichever you want to select, but you have to be careful that your mouse doesn't move too much, otherwise it will be like this. So just make sure your mouse doesn't move. All right, I left the control button, and now we have it here. Now you will press insert in the box, and you will insert for 2. So you have to insert by, there are two options, by group and by polygon. By group means it will consider all the polygons as a one polygon and it will insert that, but by polygon mean it will individually consider every polygon. So by group, and now you have to do one thing, you have to click on the plus sign, and then again you have to select from here as a polygon. So this will help us, and now we have to simply press bridge, and boom, our window frame is ready from where we will our light will be passing. So I'm in the left view again. Now we have to glass for the windows. So I will select the box and I will select this from here to here. Okay, now I'll come to the top view and see where does our box glass stands. It is too thick and I have to make it like 1, not 5. And you can see we have our glass ready, but just bring it to the middle so it looks realistic when we render it. All right, this seems pretty cool now. So the next thing I will do, I will select all of this and group, and I will call it window. Perfect. And we will be applying the material later on this window. And I hope you have learned a good amount of things here, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.